What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are out at my house. This is an old boat that I had bought a while back. It's a 78 Bass Cat. I bought it to restore and have some fun with it. I wanted an old boat to have fun with and restore and just do stuff to and whatever. Either way, I used it for a while and then it's just been sitting, as you can see, uncovered in my yard. But I'm gonna get it cleaned up right now. I had it running really good. It was mechanically sound. You could get out and ride around in it and have no problems. It's just a fun old boat. But for now, we're gonna do this to it, and this spring we will definitely start incorporating this into the channel a whole lot more and getting out on the water with it, videos going through it, pulling trees out of holes that are growing. I don't even know don't even want to look down in here. Actually, it ain't that bad down in there. I'm sure there's gas in that gas can that's probably nasty. They only run 93 octane, so it's probably still nasty. But I'm gonna go get the power wash from the hose and get started on cleaning it. All right, let's get to cleaning this mess. This is my magnet for magnet fishing. This thing's a beast. I pulled some cool stuff out of the water with this. Needs new rope. Magnet's still good though. It's a good way to help clean up the lakes and rivers. Just go magnet fishing, find some cool stuff. I found some railroad spikes from the 1800s off of the Frisco rail line, which is actually just on the other side of these buildings over here. But it's now a bike trail, and you can ride that bike trail for a long ways. And if you go up it a ways, you cross rivers and things like that. So I magnet fished off of it and got some cool stuff out from under the trestles. Well, at least there ain't nothing down in there. What's in here? Toilet paper's still good. I think I was rebuilding my bilge pump and it's still in there. Guess I need to finish. Crunchy. Oh, well, there's a new bilge pump right there that I never put in. There's a big dauber's nest on my paddle. Yeah. Well, I've been sitting in there a while. This thing's been sitting under a weeping willow tree and got all these vines. Yeah, well, we'll get her cleaned up. Keys over here. The key was on there. There's the key. And just put that in there. That thing probably doesn't even work. Barely. Parts that never got put in. I was working on this thing, and then the end of the season came, and then I never got to get to it again, and then it just got in disrepair and covered up, and I just never used it, never had the time. Mostly it's just been a catch-all. At least it's not all full of nasty water. When I bought this boat, they had left the plug in it outside in the rain, and it filled all the way up to the top. It was a line up in here somewhere. You could probably see it somewhere. But it's set outside completely full of water for a long time. When it did that, it actually just made the floor weak in it. So I've actually got, the bottom of the boat's good, just the flooring is bad. So this is some marine plywood that's down in here for a temporary floor until I got down in and actually repaired the actual flooring. And this is one of them $1,500 boat challenges. I don't really want to put a lot of money in it, but I want to have fun with it. It does have blue LED lights all the way around it inside that I put in and stuff. All right. Let's get the leaf blower going.